it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am making deviled egg salad, and it is a keto friendly salad. It's pretty much the same way I've been making my deviled eggs for years and years. The only difference is I'm going to turn it into a egg salad. You can eat this just by itself, or you can make those, I think they're called like cloud breads, or you can buy that keto friendly bread, make a sandwich out of it even, just like you would regular egg salad. But everything here, like I said, is little to no carbs, very keto friendly, and I thought you guys would enjoy it. So let me turn the camera around and let's get started. Okay, so I have some eggs here on the stove, and I just turned it on, and once they get to a boil, then I will start the timer for 13 minutes and boil them for 13 minutes and then let them cool and peel them, and then I will show you the rest of the recipe. Okay, so first off here I have, let me go over the ingredients. I think that might be helpful. I have turkey bacon, Dijon mustard, I have 8 hard-boiled eggs, Duke's mayo. I love this mayo. I know a lot of people like Hellmann's or Kraft's, and I gotta tell you, if you like those mayos, you will like this. This has 0 carbs in it, I believe, 0 carbs. I'm going to be using some paprika, pepper, salt, and some I don't even know where to begin. Y'all are gonna think I'm crazy. I just sat down here and started eating my egg salad for lunch that we just made together. And my first bite, I'm like, tastes different. Doesn't taste like what I usually make. Take another bite, and I'm trying to figure out why it tastes different. I'm sorry, I'm just like, and I realized, because I'm going over the recipe in my head, and I'm like, what the world? I didn't forget anything. Well, I didn't forget anything. I added dill relish, and I was supposed to add sweet relish. Oh my gosh, friends. I don't even know what to say. So yeah, I'm eating egg salad with my dill relish, and trust me, it's not as good with dill relish as it is with sweet relish. So when I edit this video, I will make sure that I stress enough, do not use dill, to use sweet relish, because it is a good recipe. Oh my gosh, friends, I'm so sorry. But anyway, I'll make sure it's corrected when I edit this recipe. And make sure you stay tuned for another blooper that happened while I was making the egg salad. Oh my goodness. I told you, friends, this is real life. I am not pretending that I am a great cook. When I cook, we just never know what's going to happen. So I have some dill salad cubes. You can just use the dill relish as well. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my turkey bacon, and I'm going to go ahead and cook about 5 or 6 maybe. We'll see how many we can get in the pan. So we're going to go ahead and fry up some turkey bacon, and then we're going to start peeling the eggs. right, my friends, it looks like it is now done. So let me get my turkey bacon out. Just put it on my little cutting board here so I can chop it up. All right, now we're gonna let this cool down and then make the egg salad. All right, my friends, so I am peeling my eggs now. I'm just holding them over here. I got a plate in the sink. I don't know if you can see that because I read not to put eggshells down your disposal. Just do a quick little rinse. Okay, so this is my little trick that I do when I make egg salad. I use my little egg cutter because I like it a little bit chunkier than a lot of people. So I just put the egg in, do that, pull it down, and then I put it in the opposite way, and then I cut it. And then you can see little pieces. Whoops. Let me pull you in a little bit closer and see. Okay, I'll show you a close up of how I do it. Just put my egg in, that, pop it out, then turn it the opposite way, cut it. All right, my friends, so now it is all cut up. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding my ingredients after I wash my hands. You see that? All right, let me get my hands washed and then we'll get it all started. All right, my friends, so I'm first going to add my Duke's mayo. I do about 1/4 cup to start with. I am not a big mayo fan, so I usually start with about 1/4 cup, and then I'll just add more if I feel like it's not enough. It's always better to start with less and then add more. It just depends on how many eggs that I have, how dry they are. So right now I am starting with 1/4 cup. And then my Dijon mustard, I am doing, oh, shoot, kind of squirted all over me. I'm going to do about 1 tablespoon of this, and I'm hoping I have enough. I didn't realize I was that low. You can use regular mustard as well. I do that sometimes. Oh, I think I'm going to have just enough. Look at that. Okay. Go ahead and add that in there. And then we are going to do 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to wash my hands real quick because I got mustard all over it. Okay, that's better. So we're going to go ahead and do 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm going to do maybe about half of this of salt. Just kind of to taste. And then we're going to go ahead and add in some paprika. Do 1/4. I think I'm going to do 2 of these. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and add in our dill. And I am using 1 tablespoon of this. Whoa! Ah, friends, it's always fun in the kitchen with me, isn't it? All right, so what was that, about a tablespoon and a half of that? Oh my goodness, I'm telling you. And that is it. So we're gonna go ahead and get that mixed up and see how it looks, and then go back and decide whether or not I want to add some more mayo or not, because like I said, I am not a big fan of a lot of mayo. I like mayo, I just don't like a lot, and I think that is more than enough. Now keep in mind, when I just dumped in this here, I got a lot of the juice that accidentally came out. I should have put my tablespoon inside there, but I had already used it and didn't feel like washing it, so yeah. So that did make it a little bit more moist, so that could be why I don't need to add more mayo, but usually that is enough. Okay, you see how that looks? And then, friends, the only other thing we have left to do is I have my bacon here that was cooled. So I'm going to go ahead and break this up. Turkey bacon. Put that in. Whoops. Okay, go ahead and mix this up really well. And there you go, my friends. All right, my friends, it was that simple to mix this up. As you saw, it did not take much time. It was very easy, and it is a absolute delicious dish. Like I said, it is great. It's very keto friendly. You can get like the keto bread and make a sandwich out of it, or you can make your own. I think it's called Oopsie bread. There's lots of recipes on Pinterest that you can find for Oopsie bread. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would appreciate it if you shared my videos, as it always helps me out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and especially that little bell, because it'll notify you every time I have a new video coming out. So friends, until next time, thanks, and I'll see you then. Bye!